on AM radio or FM radio.
Flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for East Central LaSalle County in North Central Illinois, North Central Ford County in East Central Illinois, Northeastern Livingston County in Central Illinois, Grundy County in Northeastern Illinois, Southwestern Will County in Northeastern Illinois, Southwestern Kankakee County in Northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 1:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Marseilles, Dwight, Seneca, Wilmington, Braidwood, Coal City, Diamond, Elwood, Herscher, Gardner, Odell, Maudon, Braceville, Lakewood Shores, Essex, South Wilmington, Godley, Ransom, Mossfield, and Carbon Hill, including the following interstate: Interstate 55 between mile markers 207 and 243. This includes Kankakee River State Park. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KCZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is expected or forecast to occur in our listening area. Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 7:30 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Crown Point, Cedar Lake, Willow, Dumont, Hebron, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Boone Grove, Winfield, Couch, and Lake Dalecarlia, including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 135 and 249. This includes Lake County Fairgrounds. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Wall cloud, right there. Do you see it?
South Wilmington, Godley, Buckingham, Cadbury, Campus.
Wall cloud. I'm not gonna call that anyway.
Including the following interstate: Interstate 55 between mile markers 203 and 234. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Yo.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, until 9 p.m. Monday at 2:58 p.m. Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen across portions of the area, with additional heavy rain expected. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Elgin, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Elmhurst, Buffalo Grove, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Addison, Algonquin, Rolling Meadows, Roselle, Lake Zurich, Franklin Park, Barrington, and Long Grove, including including the following interstates. Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 24. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 10. Interstate 355 near mile marker 30. This includes Schaumburg, Boomers Baseball, and Harvard College. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Did y'all see that?
This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.
Y'all saw avalanche? Okay. Whatever.